Welcome friends, in this video tutorial we will see more about tables. Now in this tutorial we will see how to sort our data which contain in table. For that you have to select one column on which you want to perform sorting. So let's sort first forecast, which is the numeric value. Now to sort the data of forecast you have to go to the home ribbon and you have to go to the editing option, in which you will find sort and filter. So go to the sort and filter option, click on that, and can see four option is there: sort A to Z, sort Z to Z, custom sort and filter. So to sort the particular column alphabetically from A to Z order, you can select sort A to Z. Suppose I want to sort my channel A to Z, then I can select sort A to Z. So you can see data is changed in A to Z order. Now if you want to select sorting in reverse order, means Z to A, then you can select this Z to A sorting. Now we are not going to do these things, but we are going to sort our numerical data. So I am going to select custom sort. So one window will open, which is the sorting window. Now in which you have to select various columns on which you want to perform sorting. So I want to select forecast, so I have to select forecast because I want to perform sorting on the forecast column. Now sort on values, cell color, font color and cell icon. You can select this option because I want to sort using values, so I am selecting values. Now you can also select order of sorting. You want to perform smallest to largest sort or largest to smallest sort. So currently my data is available in largest to smallest because first is the largest value and last is the smallest value. So I am selecting smallest to largest and press OK. So you can see sorting order of my data is changed. The first column of forecast contains now 17,000 Indian rupees and second is the 24,000. So this is the sorting from smallest to largest order. So this way you can sort your table data using various ways. So this is about sorting the data in table in Excel. Thank you.